How to turn off read receipts on Viber. If any day any of you are a Viber user and you would like to turn off the read receipts on your Viber application, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, now you have to launch the Verifiber application on your mobile device. You have to search the Verifiber application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, Viber application will be launched on your mobile device. After Viber application is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the option of more on the downside, and then you have to go to the option of settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to tap on privacy. After tapping on the privacy, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now here you have to go to the option of the send scene status and disable it. And you also need to disable the share online status. So this is the way on how you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.